Hello guys. I was asked to edit an existing system to include to I was asked to modify it and include a something like uh, it's like, what do you call this? It's like a unilevel feature wherein this is a binary system, and I was asked to edit it and include a counter that it should include a counter for every fifth pairing. Okay, so it should go this way. First, second, third, and fourth will be counted as pairing, and the fifth pair will go to the fifth pair entry, and then the sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth will go to the pairing bonus, and the tenth will go to the fifth pairs bonus. Yeah, it's just like and so on and so forth. So since it is already a finished and working system, I'm going to edit it, and I think I will just add a couple of lines to the code. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to show you how will I do it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Okay, there you go. So first we will declare a variable and name it fifth pair. Fifth pairs. Pair. Fifth pairs. And let's assign a number, a default value of 0, just to make sure it will be an integer. Anyway, in PHP, yeah, you don't need to specify the type of that variable, because in PHP it will automatically assign the type of variables based on the value you are going to assign to it. Okay, so this one is in this block of code, this conditional if then else statement here. Um, this one computes for the number of pairs and the weighting number of referrals for pairing. So it's already working. So we are just going to change the value of the pairing count, and we will divide the pairing count into 5. That will become the value of this pair. So first we will add some line of codes, and fifth pairs equals to first we're going to divide it into 5. So we are going to divide the pairing count into 5. Pairing count divided by 5. I enclosed it in a parenthesis because we're going to subtract the remainder. So how are we going to get the remainder? Using the modulo operator. So how are we going to impose modulo in PHP? In PHP, the modulo operator is a percent sign. So minus the remainder. So we're going to get the remainder. Pairing count modulo 5, then terminate the line. So now we have the fifth pairs. The condition is that fifth pair should not be counted as pairing anymore. So we're going to subtract the number of fifth pairs from the pairing count. So we're going to subtract it. Pairing count is equals to pairing count minus fifth pairs. Oops, sorry. Forgot to include dollar sign. Then we're going to terminate the line. And that's it. Now we're going to upload this binary core.php file into the server using FileZilla. Actually, I already had connected the FileZilla application to this server. So the binary core.php file is located in the public HTML and library folder. Okay, so now we're going to navigate where this binary.php was saved, and it is in 64 www dot to victory 2020. You know, I've got a lot of projects saved in this in my local host. There you go, binary core. So we're just going to drag and drop. Always use this option and apply to go. No, apply to only to uploads. I'm going to check the apply only to upload so that I'm not I can, or so that my source files on my local in my local host will not be overwritten, just in case I accidentally double click the file from the server panel. Okay, so let's click OK. Okay, so now we're going to display this, but first we're going to see where we'll find where can I put it on the dashboard. So oh damn it, I forgot the user account. It's Alexander Barba 1, and the password is oh there. Hey, there's a point two. So there's an error. It says 27.2 where it should be. This should be all full numbers. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard user. Let's echo this fifth pair. I think here in the dashboard user. Number of pairs acquired. It's in the first box. Numbers of pairs acquired. Let's echo this var dump. We're going to use the var dump so that we are able to see what is going on this variable. So let's echo the fifth pair for troubleshooting purposes. Let's save, then upload. Dashboard user. There you go. Then let's refresh. Oh, null. So fifth pair is null, but that shouldn't be null. Oh, it's fifth pairs. Sorry for that. You know, that's the hard part of programming, the debugging. You know, if you have forgot the exact term, even just you have errors in typing some variables, even just one period one dot will cause you a lot of trouble. Float is 1.8. No, this shouldn't be 1.8 because if this is 27 and mod 5 and it's fifth every fifth, so it should be 4. There's a problem in here. Here, where I binary core. Let's try to remove this. Then args. Yeah. See, you see what I mean? I accidentally left one closing parenthesis and the whole site went down. Five point eight. Hmm. Let's see how many left and right. How many pairs in total? 29. So it's 29 pairs. 28. So this should be 22. 5, 24. Yeah, it's okay. Uh, we just need to we need to make this a whole number. So perhaps we're going to say remainder. Remainder is equals to pairing count. Yeah, let's see here. Here, see 5.84. Why is it 4? Well, in fact, this should be 0.8, 0.8.